As I promised some of you, I would try and take a video of my studio during a brief moment of quiet, and here I am right at the entrance. So I will give you a brief tour of what people see when they come in. This is a shelf unit full of artist books. I do not usually have these shelves out. As you can see, there is a closet behind it, which is full of things that I normally need to get access to, but I've got things that I've made in workshops, and this one is my most recent book that was part of a collaborative postcard and bookmaking project between different book arts guilds throughout the country. That was really fun. You can read about that on my blog. And then over here I have on my desk, which also does not normally have a display on it, but it does today, my book necklaces, little leather journals back here, some accordion books, some little letterpress books, and I have screw posts for people who want to make their own books, and some stamp sets, and my letterpress, which if you've been following my blog at all, you will know that I've had quite a few years and have never used. Very embarrassing. And then I've got my closet, which is jam-packed with plastic shoe boxes. That's my primary method of organization. I love my label maker. So going all the way down, plastic shoe boxes, plastic shoe boxes. My favorite kind, they don't make anymore, which bums me out. It was made by Rubbermaid, and it just fits everything so perfectly for some reason. So up here I've got more storage up top. I've got stacks of photo albums going all the way down here. That's my, that was a part of a Vermont Arts Council statewide art project where they gave out wooden puzzle pieces and let people do whatever they wanted. And if you know me again, cheese, my theme was cheese. And there's just more books going down and glue and other supplies down at the bottom. Then coming around this side, my collection of name tags and some artwork on the walls. And then over here, I've got my flat files and some books up on top there. Some accordion books. I've got cards, and there's my inflatable Jerry French in the back, kind of staring at people as they come in. And my ornaments, which is what I'm working on now. I've got leather laid out with thread and pages that I'm punching, and my mask, because I am requiring people to wear masks in here. And I've got some, there's my new light. It's really great. You can mount your phone on it and use it to record things on your desk. I really like that a lot. And my collection of weirdness, which is above where my library card catalog for more storage and 2 book presses. And then over here behind the door where you come in is my library, which I have quickly filled up. I have no more room. I am stacking things now in a pile on the floor. And of course, you can never have too many books being a book person. So up top I've got over here, I'm going to point there. Those are just general design things and being an artist books. And then coming over this way, I've got my books that are written in Japanese, and they're about bookbinding. They've got lots of pictures so you can follow along with the projects and actually make them without understanding what they're saying. It's pretty great. I love those. And then lots and lots and lots, and I love cheese. Lots and lots and lots of books about bookmaking. Coming all the way down here. Here's more and more and more. And then down here are books more about paper and pop-ups and things like that. And then those are my newest acquisitions. I'm trying to get into boxes. I haven't quite gotten my brain and my hands wrapped around those. I'm working on it. Always a work in progress, always more things to learn. And then when you come out into the hallway, because I don't have enough space in my studio, I have more shelves set up with work for sale. And so here, I've got some photo albums on the bottom. I've got my photo albums for dogs. If you've got a dog that scrapbooks, that's for you. More Japanese designed pieces. And then I've got a video, well, slideshow running of me making something so that if it's crowded in my studio and people can't get in, there is something they can watch and see a process. And as promised, of course, there is cheese. So there you have it. That's pretty much a tour of my studio. For those of you who can't make it, I know some of you said you are too far away, and I just want to give you a taste of what it's like. And if you want to see anything else, just send me a message and I will happily take a moment and get some shots for you. Bye.